you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl put them lashes on.
Hey my billionaire babies, this is Justus and I am back with another YouTube video. And today in this video I am going to be showing you guys how to set up your website. So this is not a sponsored video. I use Wix as my website I guess manager or holder, and I also have my domain name through them. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up a website with them. But first, I'm going to announce the weekly giveaway winner. And this is what she won. If you want to be the next giveaway winner, all you have to do is watch the video for the question I am going to leave in this video. And then comment your answer down below with your IG name. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you follow me on my Instagram social media, shop.layamore. All right, y'all, let's get into this video. So right now where I am at, this is the main page. So I'm going to sign in. You can start. I already have one. So I'm a log in, but whenever you're starting, it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to build it from scratch or do you want to use one of their templates? I use the template. Now I'm also a makeup artist, so I also offer services. So I had to use a template that allowed me to offer services and not only products. Therefore, I did use the beauty or makeup template, but you can use a template that best suits you and what you have to offer. Okay, so the good thing about using Wix and using their template type of website builder is it's super user friendly. It tell you where the picture should go, where the button should go. It gives you stock photos. I do not suggest you use their stock photos because that's not true to what you're doing. If you're selling lashes, you don't want to use their stock photo of their lashes because you're not selling those. You get what I'm saying? But this is just like, you know, this is all my this is my product page. So I'm gonna try to go through this really like the easiest way that I can. And I think that what we want to do, we're gonna start with the edit the site. So this is what I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the Wix ADI. That's like their template type of thing, which it does limit you on some things, but I didn't even find out that I was being limited to like a year in the game. And the limits, like, I really found ways around it because obviously this is being, the template is preset. So with some things I was like, oh, this would be cool if like when they get on there, they do this and do that. And they're like, ma'am, you can't be having fireworks sparking from left to right. This is a template. We don't do that on the templates. You want some fireworks, you need to build your website from scratch. Obviously, this is me editing my homepage. All these buttons and stuff come here. I just typed in, you know, need a vendor, blah, blah, put this picture here. It automatically have like, you know, whatever, you know, section you want to have right there. And then, you know, I put this all about me and what I do and my business and where you can book from me because I'm a makeup artist too. Oh, with this section right here, if you click on this section, just click on this section and then it'll let you change what they see. So this scrolls in front of them, you know, like this is just a preview of what you have to offer on your home page. So if I just wanted them to see on my home page just my jewelry collection, because I have everything I do broken down into collections like lashes, jewelry, shades, which I have more shades coming soon, press on nails, wholesale, all of that. But I'm just gonna leave it with all products so that it automatically just continue to update every time I put a new product out. New things just start moving around on this page is what I've noticed. So that's the home page. So when I go to shop, so when you press the shop button, this is when a person come to shop me and they press the shop button, this is what they see. It usually don't show up this big, y'all. So when they go shop with me, the section that I have that's coming up first is my press on nails, but I don't want that section coming up first no more. I meant to change that. So I press this little arrow over here. Can you see it? Little arrow over here in the corner. And now my lashes come up first. So this little arrow gets to move around what collection you want first, which I did put, like I said, I have everything in collections. I add them to collections so that I can control my website as much as I want to and what my people see when they come on my website. Because when you're using these templates, you can't do certain things. So I can't have, I guess I could, but I don't. I guess I could have a tab for everything. Like I can add another tab for just lashes, another tab for lip gloss, which I might do that, but right now it's working. And then product page. So when they actually look on the product page, this is what they see. So you get to choose what you, and that's not how it look, y'all. But they, you get to choose what you want your main picture to be and what you want your other pictures to be, what you want your description to be, how much, how many they get, which is the quantity. Yeah. And then thank you page. Do I have a thank you page? Thank you for your order. You'll receive. Okay, so this is just custom. I never did this. So this is them. I don't do anything. And when you send it says you'll receive your email, they automatically send emails to your customers for you. You don't have to do none of that. So that's the booking and checkout. I don't know if any of y'all care, but I'm just gonna do it. Frequently asked questions. So this is just a couple of questions people ask. This is my wholesale page, which I have not put. I can't put my wholesale page in categories because it's already a category. It's already a collection. It's a wholesale collection. If they let me sub collection, but they do let me move it as I want to move it around. And that's what I like. So I did make sure, which I'm about to move this one so y'all gonna see it anyway. But yeah, you can move all this around. I've moved this around before. That's how, like, I have all my lash starter packs in one area. I have all my this in one area. I did it before. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any questions, you need any help, Wix, you just go to how to contact them. And once you Google how to contact them, it'll have for you to put in for a call back. And they're going to call you back in like 2 or 3 minutes. They're going to call the number you put in there in like two minutes. And somebody will walk you through every single thing. Like, they will be right there and hold your hand if you need them to. I love Wix. I'm happy to have Wix. The only thing I wish Wix would do is integrate certain things that Shopify have, that Shopify do. Like, Shopify allow for, the Afterpay and all that. They don't do that right now. You would still have to pay for Shopify, go through Shopify, and add it into Wix. And that's stupid to me to pay for Shopify. I might as well have Shopify. But I don't want Shopify. Shopify have other issues, but this is not a bashing video. So, yeah. If you guys have any additional questions, you can add section to the page. So if I want to add another section, I could. You can add a page completely. It lets you design it for how you want it to look on a computer and as well as on a phone. Your theme, your colors, your animation, all of that. Everything. Like, it literally lets you do everything that you want to do. Like, everything. So that's the design portion. Publishing it. Go back over here. Oh, this why maybe I have to do it. So this is all my products. So this is like my back office, right? So that was the designing part. That was the designing part. This is the back office part. So this is all my products. This is just a whole list of all my products. If I want to just go by collections, and let me choose my collections. Book, y'all not here for booking services, but if you want to book services, it has that. I'm trying to show y'all the shipping part because it's important too, but it has so many things you can do, like Facebook ads, coupons. If you wanna, where is it? You can do your coupons on here. Like, I'm not gonna show y'all my coupons. Y'all not about to be getting stuff for free. I'm not gonna show y'all all my coupons. Come on now. But sales channels, eBay, Facebook, Instagram. So it just show you a whole lot of stuff. Like, you really could monetize from this section we're on right here. And next section was the marketing and SEO. Okay, so what I really want to show you guys is settings. So go to settings. Obviously, you know, your info, your domain, business number, business email. You want to make sure all of that is always in there. How you accept payments. I accept payments through the Wix payment method as well as through PayPal. Now, store shipping, store tax. Those are important things to have. So let's go with the store shipping. A lot of people have questions about shipping. You do need like one of them little kitchen scales, but so this is where I ship to. I really only ship to United States, but I do have the where I have shipped to the United Kingdom. It costs a lot of money, so they probably not gonna really want to buy because they don't want to pay that shipping, and I'm not gonna eat the cost of shipping because why would I eat the cost of shipping when the shipping is that high? You might buy something cheaper than the shipping cost, and I can't do that. That's negative. So let's just go to what we do most is United States, and then I kind of just have it in here by the weight. So that means that I go in and I literally weigh everything that I sell, and I make sure that I include that when I'm, you know, adding new products every time. What's the weight, so that when people check out at the end, it automatically calculates the weight. And then obviously my everything I ship is usually just a standard 3 to 5 business days. Now you go in here, so if something is like a pound or less, they're gonna pay $2.99 because that's usually standard. Is gonna be about that much whenever you're shipping for light items. And once you ship so much, you kind of understand the shipping costs. Like, you already understand it. Anything a pound to 3 pounds I have right now is $6.99, and 3 pounds and up I have at $9.99, just because obviously I'm getting into selling very heavy stuff. And when it's going far, like California, New York, Washington, when it's going far in the different zones, you know, so like zone 5, zone 7, things like that, you can go on the USPS website and it'll teach you all that. It just costs more to ship to certain zones. So I do get a lot of sales in certain area. Now I do have another option where you can do shipment protection. Obviously shipment protection gonna be $15, so that's just this added with $15. So they can change because they can change. Like, my prices can change on how much it costs to ship because USPS can change on how much they charge me to ship whenever they want to. Prices probably gonna go up because obviously this COVID, everybody's shipping, supply and demand. So keep that in mind, y'all. Social, you put an image right here, so whenever you share your website, this is the image that come up. You can put an image of your lashes. I sell so much stuff that until I take a picture of everything I got, which I do plan on doing it, and just take one big picture, and put that right there. That way when I send if I send somebody, hey, look at my website, they'll see everything that I have to offer. That's really good marketing. So pretty much that's everything. This is how you kind of decorate your back office on your phone. I do a lot from my back office on my phone. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything, you guys. So if you have any further questions, do let me know. If you want me to touch on something a little bit more, do let me know.
You like and you subscribe, and until next time, stay booked, busy, and blessed.
How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, and girl, put them